Have you ever lost a loved one to a road accident? When passing by a road accident and seeing a victim needing help, have you ever thought I better not get involved? This might invite civil or criminal liability, or this is none of my business. Have you stopped yourself from helping a road accident victim citing legal hassle that may arise? Well, this video is for you.
Did you know, in India, traffic accidents claim a life every 3 minutes? Though overspeeding and reckless driving are the main causes of road accident fatalities, no action or no assistance to the victims by passers-by is another factor resulting in an increased rate of fatalities. If victims receive medical attention within the critical first hour of an emergency, the rate of fatalities can be brought down by at least 50%, the Law Commission of India observes. On March 30, 2016, the Supreme Court approved the Centre's standard operating procedures for the examination of Good Samaritans by the police. These guidelines are binding on all states and union territories of India. The guidelines lay down the following. The Good Samaritan will be treated respectfully and without any discrimination on the grounds of gender, religion, nationality, and caste. Any individual, except an eyewitness, who calls the police to inform them of an accidental injury or death need not reveal his or her personal details such as full name, address, or phone number. The police will not compel the Good Samaritan to disclose his or her name, identity, address, and other such details in the police record form or log register. The police will not force any Good Samaritan in procuring information or anything else. The police will allow the Good Samaritan to leave after having provided the information available to him or her, and no further questions will be asked of him or her if he or she does not desire to be a witness. Even when Good Samaritans agree to become witnesses, the guidelines accord them protection and comfort. They ensure that, if a Good Samaritan chooses to be a witness, he or she will be examined with utmost care and respect. The examination will be conducted at a time and place of the Good Samaritan's convenience, and the investigation officer will be dressed in plain clothes. If the Good Samaritan is required by the investigation officer to visit the police station, the reasons for the requirement shall be recorded by the officer in writing. In a police station, the Good Samaritan will be examined in a single examination in a reasonable and time-bound manner without causing any undue delay. If a Good Samaritan declares themselves to be an eyewitness, he or she will be allowed to give their evidence in the form of an affidavit.
The guidelines also specify that the concerned superintendent or deputy commissioner of police are responsible in ensuring that all the above-mentioned procedures are implemented throughout their respective jurisdictions. In its wake, the next time you happen to be a passerby near a road accident, do not hesitate to assist the victim in getting timely medical assistance. Remember, the Supreme Court guidelines protect Good Samaritans who help road accident victims. A Good Samaritan would not be liable for any civil or criminal liability. Accidents can happen to anybody. Let's ask ourselves, what would we expect passers-by to do if this happens to us or our loved ones? Let's be more human and step up when needed. Good people are everywhere. When you can't find one, be one. One person's kindness can save a life.